President Trump has announced an additional $200 billion in tariffs against China. I'm Beth Motter with Larry Dignan from ZDNet. Larry, how is this trade war going to impact IT costs?
I think it's going to be interesting over the next few months. We have a couple things going on. One, we have all these tariffs, and it's going on a wide range of goods. But the thing you have to watch is that it's going on a lot of Chinese components that go into American technology. So things like smartphones, servers, PCs, tablets, I mean, the list goes on and on. All these things are going to wind up being hit by a tariff. So what we don't know is the impact on tech companies, which I'm pretty sure we'll find out a lot more during earnings season, because the next, most of July, it'll be nonstop earnings from tech companies. So as this goes on, we're likely to see the component costs go up and the cost for overall tech go up. And as a result, we might see some IT inflation. So if you're a company and you're buying servers, your costs are going to go up. If you're a cloud company, all that infrastructure you're building out is likely to go up. And I think what gets interesting is as these flow through the supply chain, you sort of do some rough math and you're like, all right, so all this price increase may be happening around the holiday season. So that's another wild card. Like, we don't know exactly how this is going to play out on tech, but it does look like it's an ongoing sort of thing. And I don't think it's going to be good in the end.
So Larry, which sectors do you anticipate will see the most impact?
I think we're going to see a lot of stuff in smartphones. There are very few smartphones that don't have Chinese components. And as that gets imported, there'll be tariffs on those parts. And any part that comes from China, which is a whole lot of parts, is going to impact overall prices. So, I mean, the places I'm looking at the smartphones on the consumer side. I'm looking at data center on the enterprise side a lot. And we'll just see where it goes. One thing that may not be too impacted, it will be semiconductors, because China's just not strong in those yet. But a lot of the other components, anybody who uses a contract equipment manufacturer has got to watch this tariff situation pretty closely.